How to fix PayPal Express checkout Shopify not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how we're going to be able to fix the PayPal Express checkout not working for Shopify. So basically in many cases the PayPal Express checkout is going to have a lot of issues for your Shopify. In the case of your region, it depends on the amount of payments that are being processed. It depends on many factors, to be honest. So, the factor that we're going to be talking about is basically once someone has, you could say, abandoned checkout process. So, the PayPal payment has been broken due to the abandoned checkout. So it says there was an issue processing your payment, try again or use a different payment method. And, a lot of people, they try deactivating or reactivating your PayPal. So to fix this, basically you can do two things. Now you can either go ahead and reach out to PayPal. Okay, you can actually reach out to PayPal telling them that, hey guys, this is going on with my Shopify. So can you please check if there's another issue with your gateway? Or, there's not one gateway that gives you PayPal. There's quite a lot of gateways that give you PayPal. So you can simply search PayPal over here, and there's more than one gateway that provides you PayPal. Now, if you don't get it in third-party payment providers, you can go into add payment methods, and you can search PayPal over here. So as I stated, there's more than one, section that gives you PayPal. They give you different payment methods, including PayPal. So there's different people like PayPay. They give you PayPal with different ping pong checkouts. There's different PayPal methods. So it's not necessary to use one provider. If you're getting this issue, you can use other gateways as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the most fix of it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.